Now that we've put a name to our current plan group, it's time to add the first plan design to the current dual choice plan group. So you'll notice that where the plan designs normally go, it illustrates that it's an empty plan group, and this plus sign is what will take us to the wizard to allow us to build that plan design out. When we click on the plus sign, you'll notice we come to the wizard. And for composite rated groups, this is going to be the standard workflow for creating a new plan design. You can see from the navigation, we're going to add medical and RX benefits, then premiums, and finally enrollment counts. It's kind of the minimum information needed to create a plan design. Now we really have two paths to go. We can either select from medical plans that have been preloaded in your agency library, or we can add a new medical plan on the fly. Now the plans for the sample employer are stored in the agency library so that everybody has access to them. So we're going to go ahead and click on the green search button to access the library, and I'm going to type in SAM to narrow down to sample carrier. Now when you log in, you should see just sample carrier, the 1,080 to 3,000, the 2,080 to 5,000. We're going to build out the $2,000 deductible or the base plan of the dual option first. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the medical plan I want. Notice how I get a little more information. I get to see the copays. So we're able to really make sure that this is the medical plan we want to use. And then we're going to click select. It's going to show me the deductible coinsurance structure. Then I'm going to go next and go to the RX plan. So again, same type of approach. We're going to search for RX plans. It's going to filter, since we already have a medical plan with a carrier, it's going to filter RX plans just for that carrier. And in this case, we're going to choose the 10, 40, 70, 25% RX plan to pair with our 2000 medical plan. So that's really a key concept, that medical benefits and RX benefits are stored separately. And even though there are cases where we have medical plans that only have one RX option, we still treat the medical and RX benefits separately in order to accommodate those instances where we do have medical plans where we can choose from an option of whatever RX plan we want to associate with that. So the key is medical and RX benefits are stored separately. As we create a plan design, we have to pair the medical benefits with the RX benefits. So now that I've indicated the RX plan I want, we're going to click select, and it's going to show me that RX plan. I'm going to go next and go to premiums. Now as we get to premiums, you're going to see two different types, composite premium and community rated premium. So the key is that in Dynamis, whenever we speak about community rated premiums, those are age rated premiums. And even though there are some markets where community rated premiums come in blended, so they actually look and feel like composites where singles get billed the same, we're going to be focusing on composite rated premiums in our sample employer. All right, so again, community rated has to do with age-based rates where we have rate tables and need a census. That's a different workflow that we'll review later. So I'm going to go ahead and choose composite premium. Now for every enrollment type we've identified in the coverage period, we're going to be prompted to enter in that premium. So I'm going to go and enter in the premiums for our current $2,000 deductible plan. For employee only, we have $347.84. And I'm going to click enter after that value so that the 0 is highlighted and I can just keep typing. So that's kind of a shortcut when we're entering in premiums and other tables within Dynamis. Employee children is 66192, family 1045.14. I click apply. Here we're able to see those premiums. If I made a mistake, I could click edit. But we're going to go next to enrollment, which is really the last step of creating our plan design. Now in our case, in the current $2,000 deductible plan, we have 11 single, 3 employee spouse, 1 employee child or children, and 4 family. So when I'm done, we come back to the dashboard, we can see the first plan design in our current dual choice plan group.